How to fix Instagram Live not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your Instagram Live is not working, the first thing that you can check is your internet connection. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and if not, then you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. You can also try to go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure that Instagram application is updated to its latest version, as outdated versions can break features. Also, see if your issue is fixed, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then open Settings and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then go ahead and offload the app. Doing this will clear cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. Here, tap on Remove App and then tap on Delete App, and then delete the app completely and reinstall it, and this will fix corrupted files or bugs causing live issues. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then sometimes the Instagram server might be down. So you can check for Instagram server status and simply wait for the status to work properly in order to be able to go live on Instagram. Also, launch the settings application again and scroll down and tap on the apps option. Further, navigate to Instagram and tap on it and make sure apps permissions such as camera and microphone are enabled, and if not, then enable them. Also, make sure that on your Instagram you follow the community guidelines and your account meets the age requirement in order to go live, and also make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs can interfere with live connections. So simply disable the VPN. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can try to log in to some other iPhone or another phone and log into your Instagram, as sometimes the device could be the problem. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Live not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.